Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go to a celebration. It's Buhay today, an Ethiopian celebration right before the New Year's, which is mainly for boys to do. They do singing stuff. I'll tell you everything right now. I'm getting ready, so I'm really busy. But anyways, I'm going to tell you more about it later when I'm midway through. I'm really busy right now, so right after I get ready, I'll be getting back to you guys. Oh, and by the way, make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video and you want more. And I'll be right back. Okay, so let's get ready together to go to the church. I'm gonna read this. This is called a very beautiful church. Yeah, I'm gonna read this. And I think that's it, yeah. What is we are there? Okay, now it's time for me to tell you about the celebration. It's called Buhay, and usually on Buhay we light a wooden thingy on fire. I forgot what it's called. Chibu. And yeah, this is in the church. You might see the church later in the video. It's just not right now. But anyways, yeah. And the story all began one night, like a long time ago, where just two boys went hiking, I think, and when they went, well, they saw a white light. I think they saw a car, just a window, and they got caught, and the parents were worried because they usually don't stay this long. So they brought some light, which is a chip fire. And well, something else is that they also brought some bread. So it's a tradition for Buhay. The boys come singing and they take bread for people. Money or bread. So yeah, that's kind of a celebration. And it's very beautiful. So I tell you. So if you want to come to the church I try to look at one of the churches. The churches are very beautiful. Anyway, that's really just the story. And what happened with some water. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, this is the story.
የትኛው ቀርሳል ምኩ በተከከለ እንደዚህ ከፍ አድርገሽ እዚህ ጋር